You are going to love the 2008 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, front suspension type, strut, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.